So today my plan is to fit this. To be honest, this van, since I've had it, it's had a very slight noise from the alternator belt area. Originally I ordered a tensioner and a new belt. Both came wrong, unfortunately. But the good news was I took the tensioner off to check it, and it turns out the tensioner itself didn't feel like it had any play. The bearings felt good, but I did notice in the original one of these, actually you could see where the grease was coming out. So that's the job for today. Nice quick easy one hopefully, and just a quick check over the van ready for next week as we are on a weekend. So yeah. Right, so here's an overview of the engine bay in this one. It's a 2-litre HDI engine. I think it's the same as found in the old 206s, 406s, that sort of side of things, and all sorts of other Peugeot vehicles. But the belt is here, the alternator belt. The tensioner is that pulley there, and that is held on by a single bolt which is further down. If you're not changing that and you're not changing the belt, you don't even need to take it off, and I'm not even going to. I'm not even going to jack the vehicle up, because if you come through here, yes, I know I need a new tyre, that's on order. Yeah, you've got two idler pulleys here. This is the bolt for the tensioner. This is one idler pulley which is actually adjustable, but this is the one which I believe that one there has the issues, because you could see where the grease was coming out of the bearing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the tension off of the belt. I've got a Sealy tool for it, but you can use a 15 or 16 mil spanner, I believe, and that'll do the same job. I know it's not the best way to do things, but this is how I'm doing it for the day. If you look around here, you can see all the grease come out of this one. So I think it's this one which is noisy. I'm hoping it's this one that's noisy, and not this one. But I'm going to do them one at a time. I'm going to change them all eventually. It's had a new tensioner and belt before I bought it, apparently. I don't think it's a bottom pulley. That's incredibly tight. But this is a 13 mil nut. Slides off like that. Yeah, there's the new pulley. So let's go push that one on. They are. Doesn't look to be sided, so I believe I put them on either way. Lift the belt up over it. Yeah, the torque settings for these are usually between like 25 and 35, sometimes 40. So basically, as tight as you can get it with a standard 3/8 ratchet, really. If you haven't got a torque wrench, I will torque mine up, and I'll find the torque settings, and I will put them in the description of this video as well, just so if you want to know like the exact torque setting. Now we release the tension. There we go. And there is a spring-loaded tensioner on this, so you don't need to worry about any adjustment on that, which is just great. It's very rare you have a manual tensioner on newer vehicles. Anything past the 2000s, really. Now we start it, let's see what she sounds like. There we are, guys. I hope that helped some of you out. If it did, then please let us know by hitting a like and subscribe below this video, and stay tuned for more content and more hints and tips coming on a multitude of different cars. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.